Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful and small necklace design in a very simple process. I hope you will like this beautiful small necklace design. I have used glass beads and off-white pearls for this necklace design. My personal request at the beginning of the video, please watch the video till the end. The design will be very nice. First we took 5 pieces purple color 10 mm glass beads. We will make 7 pieces flower using such small glass beads. Now we are using 4 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls. The flowers that I made with the help of glass beads, I added another flower. Again we are using 6 mm off-white pearls 4 pieces. I have tried to make this necklace design using as simple process as possible. We are using 6 mm off-white pearls 4 pieces. Adding another flower, we are using 6 mm off-white pearls 4 pieces. Adding another flower. Just like this, we will continue to add 7 flowers. Now we will make the chain of the necklace. For the chain, first we will use 3 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls and then we will use 1 10 mm glass beads. Then we will use 4 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls, again 1 10 mm purple color glass beads. Then again 4 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls. With the help of needle, we will move towards the back again. After coming to the back, we will use 3 pieces 6 mm off-white pearls. In the same way, we will make another side chain. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Hope you like our video. Please like, comment, subscribe and support DiyArtiePie.